This is a bramble shark, an endangered deep-sea species, and getting to see it up close while filming in a submersible is something I will never forget. This subdive was part of our research mission in the United Arab Emirates, where scientists were studying everything from endangered whales and dolphins to unexplored deep-sea reefs. I'm part of the media team at OceanX, so my job during this subdive was to film anything interesting that we saw with the 8K cameras we have on the subs. Subdives can sometimes be kind of eerie and otherworldly, especially in the UAE where the water is super murky. When you're on the bottom, any movement at all kicks up a sediment storm, which makes it even more spooky because you can't see anything at all. So here's the story. We're at about 800 meters deep. We're eating lunch when all of a sudden a bizarre, mysterious shark floats into our field of vision. As soon as we saw the shark, I scrambled to get the cameras rolling and everything in focus. And here's what we saw. The shark seemed to be checking us out, but we weren't sure what the species was until we got back on board. Once we talked with scientists, we learned that it was called a bramble shark. And on top of that, it was the first time that had ever been recorded in United Arab Emirates waters. The bramble shark is actually a pretty interesting shark. It's covered in thorns. All sharks are covered in thousands of microscopic, tooth-shaped scales made of the same material as human teeth. They're called dermal denticles. They help reduce drag as the sharks swim through the water, and they act as a protective barrier. The bramble shark takes it to the next level. Its denticles fuse together to form these big thorns that start growing right after the shark is born. It's also covered in a foul-smelling mucus, just an FYI. This shark is rarely spotted and not well studied, so for scientists getting to observe the bramble shark in the wild and to collect high-resolution footage is a big win.